In this demo, we're going to take a look at photos that have been uploaded for different spaces on this floor plan. Now, this is a great way to either familiarize yourself with a project that perhaps you've not had the ability to actually visit in person, and to also document either certain uses of space or perhaps differences to the space from the floor plan, or just to give a visual tour, we could say, of the space. So let's say I'm not actually familiar with this floor plan, but I know that the organization has a specific interest in the lounge spaces. So I'm just going to quickly search here by lounge. And now I'm going to see these red dots highlighting each of the different space types that have been tagged as lounge. Check out this C7 here. And here I can get, I can see the photo of this space. So I can see both furniture as well as this kind of, looks like a team sort of board that's here. And it starts to give me some hint perhaps of how this space is being used, either as a kind of a team area or perhaps this is a gathering space when discussing projects. And let's check out some of these other spaces. I don't have a photo yet for this space. Perhaps we can look over here. Here again we have another photo of this workspace, and it looks actually as if this configuration is quite a bit different from the floor plan. So that's something perhaps I can take into consideration as to whether perhaps I need to update the floor plan or get some additional photos of the rest of the space to see if there are any differences that should be taken into consideration. You can also just quickly scan here these conference rooms over here, making large, and get a quick idea of the layout of this space. This conference room as well. So with these photos, I can quickly give myself a bit of a tour of the space and perhaps begin to get an understanding of the layout and familiarize before working with some of the other data in the project.